Look, probably the worst thing you can do for your practice is to remain silent in the face of any kind of criticism, whether they're online reviews or in person. Look, negative reviews, negative online testimonials, they're not just affecting your follow-up rates, they're also impacting the acquisition of new patients for your practice. So you have to engage in a thorough reputation management in person or online. So check out your online reviews, check out word of mouth information people are getting about your practice, and get in touch with those dissatisfied reviewers and patients and offer some kind of compensation, some kind of apology. Investigate the reason for this discontent so you can placate these former patients. Look, there are many strategies for dealing with negative reviews, but reacting quickly, identifying the most common patterns, and attempting to resolve the issue that the individual patients have faced can help turn your reputation around and help turn your practice around. What you're going to find is that these problems are the areas in your practice that you can improve and make it better for all your patients.